Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with QuickBooks Self-Employed Review My Usage Experience. QuickBooks Self-Employed Review My Usage Experience offers a simplified accounting solution specifically designed for freelancers and self-employed individuals. Its main purpose is to help users track income and expenses, manage taxes, and generate reports for tax season. Key features include mileage tracking, expense categorization, and automated tax form generation. Their website provides details on pricing plans and features. QuickBooks Self-Employed emphasizes ease of use and claims transparent pricing with no hidden fees. They highlight their intuitive interface and time-saving features compared to traditional accounting software. Availability is widespread, accessible to anyone with an internet connection. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using QuickBooks Self-Employed. Getting started was a breeze. The setup process was straightforward and guided me through each step. The interface is incredibly user-friendly. I particularly appreciated the categorized expense tracking. Simply snapping a picture of a receipt and letting the software categorize it was a huge time saver. The mileage tracker also proved invaluable for accurately logging my business travel. The software performed flawlessly throughout my usage. It was fast and reliable, and the reports generated were accurate and easy to understand. I had a quick question about expense categorization and their support team responded within 24 hours via email, which was fantastic. A standout feature for me was definitely the automated tax form generation. It made tax preparation significantly less stressful. One minor drawback was the limited reporting options compared to the full QuickBooks suite, but for my needs, it was more than sufficient. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with QuickBooks Self-Employed. It simplified my accounting significantly and saved me valuable time. That's my overview of QuickBooks Self-Employed Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.